of
Kapag di ka namin hinatid sa Victory, naiwan ka naman ng bus.
Hi everyone, it is currently around 8 p.m. and right now I am currently reviewing for a quiz that I will be having for tomorrow. Okay, it's really cold. Anyways, hello everyone. Alright, so it is currently around 10:58 in the evening, and I just took a break from studying because I need to look through pieces of clothing that I plan on wearing for our upcoming beach trip after the exam week. So I want to order the clothes in advance, that way it can arrive on time, hopefully. So right now I'm just scrolling through different websites that I can get clothes from. Actually, I'm eyeing this top. This is a brown cardigan, and I don't have a cardigan yet. So, okay. You know what? I'll just be spending a couple of minutes scrolling through the options that we have here, and I'll be back to you guys in a second. Alright guys, so before we check out, I want to share with you guys something that has saved me a lot of money, especially when I am shopping online. So I use Coupert, which is a free browser extension that automatically finds and applies the best coupon codes whenever you go through online shopping. And what's best about this is that it works on Chrome, Opera, Firefox, Safari, or any web browsers that you might use, making it so much easier for you to save money without any additional extra effort. And since Coupert has over 8 million users worldwide and it supports up to 200 physical stores, can just do all of the heavy things for you, such as the automatic coupon testing, the cashback rewards, and also the price comparison tool. And as you guys know, I'm shopping for a set of clothes, and when I just apply Coupert, I am able to instantly save almost $20, and that's just by letting Coupert do all of its things. So, and just like that, you can save money by just adding this extension. So if you want to try this out, just head to the Chrome web store and then add Coupert as an extension, so you can access it whenever you shop online, or you can simply just click the link in the description box down below. Anyways, I'll go back to my shopping, and hopefully this tool will help you guys as well. Anyways, I will be back with my shopping, and hopefully this tool was able to help you. Happy shopping and saving.
And we have for this one for the writing.
This is the food that I got, guys. I am using ChatGPT to make practice quizzes for me. So right now I'm reviewing for one of my major quiz tomorrow. This is for one of my programming classes, and so I want to do a bit of reviewing before I go to bed. And this is what I do usually. I use ChatGPT to make me a short exam. So 널 향해 달려가고 있어.
Beaches, definitely no party scenes. Instead, it's a story of. This is a trip for me with a lot of firsts.